Hello everyone, it's assembly time and here we are. It's grade 1. Let's have a look at grade 1. What does Mrs. Van Badar have for us today? She said, well done to the whole grade 1 class for being so well behaved while Mrs. Van Badar is away. Well done grade 1s, so proud of you. Good job. And then we have grade 2. We have Mrs. Gardeman says, merits for grade 2. Velo for his beautiful reading this week. It made Mrs. Gardeman super happy. And Treasure for trying her best no matter how easy or difficult the task might be. You are a star. And Talia for being confident and questions if she doesn't understand something. Well done. And in life skills, we have been learning about myself and others. The class did self-portraits with big funky glasses where they could choose some things that make them happy and draw them in the lenses. They had lots of fun while learning about each other. They're a bit sideways, but you can see. Turn your heads. There's Luca. Ooh, look at what's in her glasses. That's amazing. Ice cream. And we have the next one. Setu. Lovely. Well done. Look at these amazing glasses. Awesome. And we have Keanu's there. Good job. Well done. All the things that make them happy are in their glasses. Reflected in their glasses. Brilliant. Well done. There's Alex's. And there we go. Well done. Good job. Fabulous. Good job. I can't wait to see those all up on the wall. Beautiful. I'm so happy. People. Lovely. Beach. Looks like, is that watermelon? Yummy. Bright colors. Big smiley face. And Alex with his special eco brick. Well done, Alex. Fantastic. Well done. Thank you, grade 2s. And then we have grade 3s. Jeremiah for being so brave and coming back to school, even though he has a bad ear infection. Your hard work and dedication to school makes me so proud, Jeremiah. And Kala for her amazing problem solving in maths and getting most of her sums right this week. So proud of you, Kala. And Tokoza for her amazing attitude towards her schoolwork and for incredible maths work and problem solving. Keep up the amazing work, Tokozo. Wow, well done. And then we have grade 5. Let's see what grade 5 has said. Sarab for always asking such thought-provoking questions during worship and for his excellent reasoning skills. Mrs. Berry thinks you are very observant. Great. And Tarini for showing excellent focus in class, wonderful preparation towards her assessments, and her outstanding attitude. Well done, Tarini. Aware too for his beautiful manners, his cheerful morning greetings, and for working hard during lessons. Good job. And Rayons for greatly improved swimming skills. Coach D is very impressed with your determination and progress. Good job. Well done. We'll come back to show and tell for grade 5 in a second. So let's have a look at some show and tell, grade 5. Okay, let's just do the merits first. Sarah for always asking such thought-provoking questions during worship, and for his excellent reasoning skills. Mrs. Berry thinks you are very observant. And Tarini Pillay for showing excellent focus in class, wonderful preparation towards her assessments, and her outstanding attitude. Well done, Tarini. And for Wetu for his beautiful manners, his cheerful morning greetings, and for working hard during lessons. And then we have Rayons for greatly improved swimming skills. Coach D is very impressed with your determination and progress. Wonderful, well done. Let's have a look and see what show and tell there is. Luke and Unami learned about totem poles with Mrs. Bryan, and they drew their own, and this is how they turned out. Very cool. Wow, well done. That was a fun lesson. Good job. Well done, Unami and Luke. Very good. And now let's just go and see if we can go back to our grade 6s. Let's have a look at grade 6. Okay, so for show and tell, the grade 6s learned about idioms and proverbs in English. They then had to draw them, and the class had to guess which ones had been drawn. Okay, so let's have a look at those. Okay, so we have Connor. Connor drew, it is a red herring. Very clever. Javasha, I feel like a fish out of water. And Zanande, there are plenty more fish in the sea. Very clever. And Katie, give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. Very true. Well done. Good job. Now the merits. Ethan for trying so hard in all his subjects and always being ready to work. And Hilton for always being willing to participate and answer questions in our class discussions. Well done. Good job. Great. Let's go and have a look and see what the grade 7s have been up to. You just got to wait a little bit. Something is downloading. It's a video. Let's have a look.
Check it out. What is that?
Oh, Mrs. What? Yay.
And the little baby Wuzzy. Oh, sweet. How are you, Mr. Wuzzy? Oh, yes. Are you happy? And Mrs. Wuzzy. And what are you going to tell us today? Are you excited about something? Oh, what is that about? Are the children behaving and are they greeting? Yes. I know we've had so many visitors on our campus and the children have been so good at greeting. Wow, fantastic. Oh, Mr. and Mrs. Wuzzy and baby Wuzzies, we're so happy to see you. Yay. Good job. Thank you for coming today. Are you going back to sleep now? Thanks for waking us up because we know that you're nocturnal. So thank you very much for waking up and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.
Bye, Wuzzy family. How nice is that? Well done, children. You've been greeting so well, so you can do a special job in your classrooms. Well done. Good job. And have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now.